The microwave will be down here. What I'm going to try to figure out is a good way to secure cups so that we can just kind of slide them in and lock them in place. And then the same for the plates. I also wanted a ceramic type of a coffee mug so that we can just microwave it. Pretty good. Yeah, perfect fit. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with the microwave unit for cups, coffee, and other stuff, pepper and salt and plates and whatnot. Now I'm going to go ahead and mount it into the van along with the microwave. Another upgrade that I'm going to do to the van is we're going to remove the center console, and I'm going to get a really nice piece of wood from the carpenter that built our table in the house, basically removing the center console, and it's going to become like a table, and then it'll be the center piece for the air conditioner when we need to use it air conditioner, but it also be multifunctional as a table. That is coming soon. He's going to cut it, and it's actually going to have on the side, it's going to have like the live cut, so that's going to be a kind of a little custom piece. Anyways, that's coming, but let's go ahead and mount this in the van. So I've been taking a break from working on the van, but 4th of July weekend is coming up soon, so we're getting ready to go on our next trip. I ordered a couple more things on Amazon Japan online really quick. Shows up literally the next day. So I got this little rack that goes over here on the top, and then a net for the side door. So all right, let's go ahead and work on that this weekend and get ready for next weekend, folks. Okay, so far I was able to put these 2 bars, and next is to work on this thing. If you're wondering what this is, this is a toilet, but it's primarily for emergencies or in those cases where we are just going to find a spot in the middle of nowhere, wrap on, and it has never been used, so don't worry about it. What it does is there's these bags, and obviously you do your thing, and then you can put the solvent in where it solidifies, you know, urine and, you know, the other stuff. And then once you hit flush, once you do that, basically it makes a tight seal. It seals it electronically, and then you can throw it away in the burnable garbage here in Japan. So I ended up changing the configuration a little bit, because originally we had a Montbell, the little pot set, but then we realized that we have a little IH little cooktop, which also is convenient. So it all depends whether you want to use the IH, the microwave, or the little gas stove, which is this one right here. So it kind of depends on the situation. So of course you need the IH pots and pans, so they fit there. And then this one is a little bit too big, but then also fits perfectly. So the plates go in there, and then I just drilled some holes right here to hold everything in place with bungee cords. There we go. This is being powered by the battery bank. Let's see, on here on this side I put a little shelf for my wife. This is where she's going to sleep, so she could put her phone, iPad, whatever can fit there. This little clip-on fan, so we're going to put this one next to her bed, and that one over here by the table. I think this is pretty much it, folks, in preparation for this trip. A couple of little things I still need to fine-tune here and there, but nothing major. And then also this is going to be a separate video, but check out this really cool, in my opinion, custom console, I guess. The original console is that big bulky thing, and you know, it has storage and it has little slots and coffee holder and everything. But the issue during the summer, you definitely need some air conditioning, and usually the spot where most people put it, and then I played with different configurations, is to put it either on, you know, in the center. But the problem is, because it's this big bulky thing that you just cannot fit anything there, you cannot place the air conditioner there without it wobbling around. I should give credit to someone else on the road. I kind of peeked in their van. They had a van like ours, and I noticed that they had a flat table, and I was like, wow, that's pretty neat. So I just had it removed, took it to a local carpenter that made our table a while back. He did a really good job. It's going to turn into a rather long video, but it was actually pretty interesting just watching him. This is the live edge, and he stained it with this German oil, really cool. And then he literally turned with a lathe there in his shop these little plugs, because that's where there's 6 different screws, and precisely cut these out and then plug the hose. And so yeah, so it will serve as a table and a place to put the air conditioner. I think that would be a pretty good addition to this van. All right, folks, I think this is it. Again, if you like what you see, and you want to continue watching some more foreigner living in the countryside of Japan, purchase, renovating in Akiya, and now try my best to travel as much as we can in our Toyota Hiace van, please hit subscribe, like, and share, and follow our journey. Have a great day. Bye.